Today we are going to learn numbers again. Numbers consider don't over not running. And you let me know DM. Have you learn your homework? Lâu xóa mẹ mình homework ha. In homework hay lâu thia mẹ lẽ?
Yes, miss.
Anh in homework hay lâu xóa em? In homework hay lâu xóa em?
Yes.
Ý cần homework hả? Cần homework hay nghe hả? ONE12 FIVE, isn't it? And the M, ONE12 FIVE. And you can say it in the one, two, ONE1. TWO2 FOUR4 okay.
Number some.
Okay, all of you ready? What is this?
One.
Say it again. Hear your voice. Say it. All of you say it. What is this? Very good. ONE1. This is one. ONE1. Okay. Okay, edit. Oh, one is one. This is one and ONE1, and this is one. Okay. And what is this? What is this? Yes, very good. TWO2. Okay. This is what? Two. This is two. Hey, two. Over one. TWO2. Okay. And the next one is, I'm going to ask this one. What is this? Very good. In the what is this? Say it again. Arman, say it. Ruth, say it. What is this? All of you say it. Did you see it, UTM? You can hear it. Ring them and say it out louder, louder. This is three. It is not three. This is three. Three. This is three. Okay. And three. Okay. Okay. The next one is I'm going to ask you this one. What is this? You've already learned. What is this? Very good. And the next one is I am going to ask you, what is this? Phải hẳn nếu phải để phải chuyển sang nghe lẽ. This is five. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is five. Okay. And the next one is what is this? X-I-X. Okay. What is this? Okay. S-I-X. Okay. This is S-I-X6. Okay. And the next one is, I will show you this one. Okay. What is this? Spell it. Spell out. Okay, all of you spell out. Spell roll it. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Louder. Say the window. Arman. 8. Austin. Jacob. Austin. Say it. Yes, this is 7. 7 2. A figurine kecil. Don't say ini 7. A figurine anya a word. S-E-V-E-N 7. Okay, very good.
E-V-E-N 7.
Very good. And the next one is I am going to show you this one. What is this?
9.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Good boys and girls. Kita lihat kan lauzir ini Kita lihat kan lauzir ini E-I-G-H. Say very good. Ingin ya. 8 ka? And the next one is I am going to show you this one. All of you look at this one and spell out. What is this? N-I-N-T. Very good. N-I-N-T. Amos, right there. 15. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E N-I-N-E 9. See? Yes. This is 9. N-I-N-E 9. Okay. And the next one is, and the last one is this one. What is this? Yes, very good. This is 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Okay. Kadudu ka zoto. Don't say, do not sign on. Kadudu ka zoto. Don't say, I am going to ask you one by one. Kazo, pitse in lau sa yang. Kazo, pe lau tu lau may chap tu. Tu man pe ching lau siya kapal lau. Anu di aga di pe lau tang kapal lau. In ka shito. Okay, kazo, masagberang. Minh Huy bảy thế thì khá look at me bị kẻ xóm xóm me look at me do not xóm xóm check us out don xóm xóm me what is this
S-I-X 6
very good clap your hand acham nutuk aban cham em now I am going to ask Dunia ka so liang dunia spell kan Ruthie look at me Ruthie I'm going to ask you this one what is this mi ta gin lau sui be su Ruthie sia ka so
Kha chen pe glass zo kan
Ruthie chong ka shi thei lau I can't hear your voice very good clap your hands now I am going to ask Thiam đều tụ cần giọt lắm nghe nhàng lại xoay thoáng đi lòn xèo thì ready bị thế unmute your microphone cái microphone còn rõ lên cái giọt what is this Thiam tổ xin phải thoáng đi nhàng Very good, Atiam. Okay, now I am going to ask Jane. Jane, where is Jane? Jane, did you see? Can you see? What is this? Only Jane. Okay. Jane, it's a Jane, what is this? Bây giờ hiện cái nét chạm rồi. Đây rồi lên. No. This is just 5. This is 7. Okay. S-E-V-E-N 7. Say it. Say that rồi lên.
S-E-V-E-N 7.
Very good. Apa hantiam em to. Oh, now I am going to ask Austin. Where is Austin? Raise your hand. Who is Austin? Okay, Austin, are you ready? I am going to ask you. What is this? Unmute your microphone. The microphone on rồi lên bề. The microphone on rồi lên. Trong cái sự thể là vào lên. What is this? What is this?
You are fun.
Oh my God! Nó hành chém lệ bịch em về Now I am going to ask Arman. Are you ready, Arman? Arman, unmute your microphone. Okay, Arman, what is this? Say it.
T-R-E-E-T.
Very good. Siam Arman napon. Tugay ka solyang. Tugay zoleta. Tugay zoleta. Intiam to box siya. Vale shwali kiyang piti ko. Purple hangi o bite. I microphone on role. Okay, what is this? Atiam doon.
T-W-O-2.
Very good. We get to intiam to. 0.9 to lang yung siya. Intiam to to. Now, let's sing a song. Zai nó cầm ô, in zai cha kém, in nghe kan sakang. En lang nghe kan sakang. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, clap your hands. In ko din lau beng nga kat ang ni din lau tiang. Oh. We will do like this. Okay. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. The mummies on the bus go shh, shh, shh. Mummies on the bus go shh, shh, shh. All through the town. In lầu sai biển là qua lầu sai biển đúng không? The babies on the bus goes wah 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 wah. The babies on the bus goes wah 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 all through the town. The wise man kind of shy and kiss the cousin right here to come. The wise man cut the 1, 2, 3. The wise man built his house upon the road. The wise man built his house upon the road. The wise man built his house upon the road, and the rain came tumbling down. The rain came down and the floods came up. The rain came down and the floods came up. The rain came down and the floods came up. But the house upon the rock stands still. The foolish man built his house upon the sand. The foolish man built his house upon the sand. The foolish man built his house upon the sand, and the rain came tumbling down. The rain came down, and the floods came up. The rain came down, and the floods came up. The rain down, and the floods came up. But the house upon the sand fell flat. Now, number song, okay. 1, 2, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys. Okay, everyone, sing it. Right, vậy là các thầy hay các bạn chọn ra được rồi. Các bạn sẽ lấy cái bút chì đó, các bạn begin nhé. All of it, 1, 2, 3. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys. All of you, clap your hands. Okay. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday. Yeah. It's birthday. Today is my birthday. Birthday long day I am. Today is my birthday. I'm going to celebrate my birthday. You know, cái Tết gần nè the birthday card is cái lòng về luôn. You know, cái Tết gần nè So now I'm going to ask you conversation. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. I'm
good.
fine. Thank you. Okay. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, cái microphone on nó in trong cái gì đâu. Cái microphone on đó đấy. Microphone on của em ta đó. Microphone on đó trong cái gì vậy mà. I am going to ask you a question and you will answer me. Okay. What is the name of your school? All of you, look at me.
Hold your arms.
Fold your arms. Fold your arms and straight and pay attention. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, I'm going to ask you something. What is the name of your school? Provision School. Very good. And where do you live? Listen, where do you live? I live at where do you live?
I live in Bangkok, Tigiro. I live
in Bangkok. I live in Bangkok. I live in Janwari. What is the name of your teacher? Teacher means today. Please tell me. What is the name of your teacher? What is the name of your teacher? Okay. Thank you. Apa ada in law o em lek? Apa ada em lek? Phone khởi chuyện em, phone cái carry đi từ những khởi chuyện em. Cái phone đấy đều được là khởi chuyện. Biết tiền cần hello. Phone đấy đều có thể to biết tiền cần hello. Mo in ina kan CCTV cái kan randa don. Mo CCTV cái kan randa don na kan yan sa tape. Su bang chuanin ina kan ada ulo o ya phone cái carry kan kalauวันนี้เป็นการphone radio เดี๋ยวเป็นคอยชวนถึงมีการเรานางบ่มีการอันตอนก่อน phone ก็ว่าเราไหนเดี๋ยวเป็นที่เป็นไหนเดี๋ยวเป็นที่กันเราtoday your homework will be in homework assignment. Listen, all of you listen. Homework 1 to 10. First, O-N-E 1 to T-E-N 10. You have to learn them. O-N-E 1 to T-10. You have to learn. Okay, E-N tàu here Allah. Kalau I'm going to ask you one by one. You have to study. You have to learn this one. Okay. Color shock color shock so red yes red blue green yellow ini is for hot the color is This is red. Okay? This is red. Mr. Hockey, red. Mr. Hockey, red. And yeah, there are different colors. Okay, there are so many different colors. Kan soi don tuan tampat color shang kan ni. Tidak color shang kita nasir nga shades kan nasir don ni. Subang tuan ina in homework tu. In homework tu tunai sarulah. O-N-E 1 to T-E-N 10. Okay. O-N-E 1 to T-E-N 10. You have to learn this one. Okay. All of you?
Yes,
I'm going to ask you one more time only. Aku đang phải khắc cái cho để con dấu. Tất phải có run đáp yang gì nào xuyên. What is this? In microphone on roll it. In microphone on roll it. In microphone on roll it. One fill. Yes. What is this? What is this? This is red. Anh sang đâu? Thêm mình xin cáo tí lần thế nha đấy. T-E-N 10. Look at carefully. And say, what is this? Very good. What is this? Austin. So you didn't know what so you what is this? W. Say W. T-W all two. Say it. Yes, very good. What is this? Very good. Anh Thiam dễ rồi nè. Anh nhìn thấy không để con có hình như cái tổ là quá. What is this? Very good. Pinta bila soy boxya apel boxya. What is this? Austin ang kan pinta bin soy. Let.
You are fun.
And the next one. What is this? Very good. And this one? S-I-X-T. Very good. I'm going to ask you a figure. That's all. They don't say oh. This one. And this one. And this one. And bạn khéo em nhiều chữ rất có mì nhiều chữ rất có mì và hẳn spell what is it anh khéo dễ mà lấy cái con một đến đến con một là hèn nó Miss Khan in fel at the book in a telekai now zero touchina. Oh, in a can annotate the card zero chin to run it A B C D 1 2 3 colors here to run more. And the more Miss Khan, what is the meaning of fruit? Fruit can negative fruit. Yes, hey. Austin in a shilling or oscillating asperico. What is the meaning of fruit? Missing fruits can get fruit in H. Mango. Yes.
Mango.
Yes. And what is the meaning of vegetable? Vegetables. Let me see again. Vegetable. Vegetables. Let me see again. Vegetables. Vegetable คือเอ็มเนี่ย potato ได้ไงยัง potato potato อาลูได้ชีเล่potato ก็อ่านทีนั้นเนี่ย potato ไทยมี onion ว่าจะสมิธ onion ใช่ไหมfruit เส้นได้ไงfruit เส้นfruit เส้นมี onion ใช่ไหม fruit เส้นbrinjal what is the meaning of brinjal in Mizo brinjal ซุปบนนะบนจานเนี้ยบนที่นั่นเนี่ยข้างแค่brinjal เต้ tomato เต้ potato เต้เนี่ยจากเขาค่ะ vegetable ว่าที่นั่นก็ส่วนเดียวอะไรเป็นที่นั่นเราคิดว่าไม่เป็นอะไรเป็นที่นั่นที่นั่นก็ข้างล่างเลยที่นั่น fruits เต้ vegetables เต้ and cereal all of you that's all for today your homework what is your homework say your homework One to 10. Your homework is 1 to 10. Okay. All of you are okay. That's all for today. All of you fold your arm. Okay. next class akan ini anga po homework in note habanga son Tuesday vegetables ka tapos dia kalau share tu la anu tu so kena out so next class akan ini so all of you bye bye see you
Bye bye.
yes
Bye bye.